What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to sign in with a Google account to DEX Screener. So, in this case, you might be wondering how do you use your Google account here on DEX Screener. Well, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to the official website for DEX Screener, which is dexscreener.com. Now, at the bottom left of your screen, you should see two options here. We have the sign in and the default name that you get here, which is Anon. Now, in this case, just click on the sign in option. Now, you have three options. You have the Connect Wallet option, sign in with Apple, but what we're looking for is going to be the sign in with Google. Let's go ahead and click on sign in with Google. Now, it's going to pop up here the sign in method here for Google. So if you already have your Google account signed in into your browser, by the way, I'm using Google Chrome here. It's going to allow you to just choose your account. But if you don't have your account logged in here, you might need to provide your email address as well as the password for your account and do some verification if you've added some third party or some other verifications to your account here. But in this case, let's just choose our Google account here. Now, what we need to do next is we just need to confirm that we want to sign in. Click on continue. And from here, we should be able to sign in into our account here for DEX Screener using our Google account. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.